Ronel Candido is currently studying at Western Mindanao State University, enrolled at Associate in Computer Technology. His mother and father gave him the name Ronel. It came from his mother and father's first initial name, so that it came as Ronel Bulicilio Candido. The Bulicilio in his name stands as his middle name because it is his mother's surname, and the Candido came from his father's name. The name of his father is Celestino Candido Jr. The name of his mother is Rosalie Candido. His mother gave him birth at Ipil, Zamboanga, Sibugay Province. At the 11th day of February in year 2006, he started studying at Upper Pangi Elementary School from his kindergarten up to his elementary days. He started at the year 2011 in his elementary degree. He graduated at Upper Pangi in the year 2018. And he continued his study at the year 2019 in Zamboanga Sibugay National High School from grade 7 up to grade 10. He graduated his high school life in the year 2022. In his senior high school, he get the strand SMAW, or Shielded Metal Arc Welding. He gets achievement certificate at his high school life. He has also a multi-works experience. He works at furniture, dishwasher at a restaurant, and others. He is a dependent child. Ronel Candido is a student and a worker. He never depends on his parents because his father died at his 14th years of age. So that Ronel becomes more independent because he is the only child, so that he gives his mother needs and also he provides his needs. For him, life was unfair, but he has God on his heart, so he never surrenders even life gives him the worst life for someone. Now he pursuing his dreams at Western Mindanao State University.
At this time the most issues in nation is poverty. Ronel's Candido life and experiences can give a future plan for those students who know how reality is. Ronel's experiences can be guide to those students who wants a better future. So Ronel's life can give a big impact to the community and nation.